All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another night of hacking. My name is Tyler Ramsbey. If you don't know who I am, hey, welcome. If you're coming to the Twitch channel, the HackSmart Twitch channel, I am your host for tonight. Otherwise, if you're catching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, either way, I'm honored to have you hanging out with me. My goal is for the next 2 hours or so, let's study together, let's do some hacking together. Specifically, we are going to work on the HackTheBox on HackTheBox. Just going to adjust my headphones. There we go. Much better. And for those of you watching on Twitch, if you can let me know how everything sounds, how it looks, as far as the music goes. I'm trying to get the music so you guys hear it a little bit in the background, but it's not too distracting. Hey, there we go. Much better. All right, got Twitch pulled up on the side. Everything looks good to me. Let's go ahead and dig into it. So let me show you guys what we're working on today. Let's open up my browser. We are going through the AD 101 series on HackTheBox. And what we've done so far is we did Forest, we did Sauna, and you'll notice, this is what I've noticed about HackTheBox. It says easy, right? But look at the user reviews, medium. This one says easy. Look at the user reviews, hard. So I try to go by the user reviews. They seem a lot more accurate than the HackTheBox reviews. This one says easy. Most are saying it's medium. So active looks like it's a medium level box. What up, Amoeba Man? Good morning to you. You are living in Wednesday for you. So happy Wednesday. It's Tuesday night for me. So glad you are living in the future. Make sure you start Wednesday off well for the rest of us. All right, we got our notes pulled up. The only thing I've done is I scanned the box earlier today, so I have the scan, so we don't have to wait for those. Let's go ahead and get connected to the VPN for HackTheBox. All right, we got our VPN connected. Let's see if we can ping active.hackthebox, and we can ping it. I haven't even looked at the Nmap scan yet. And so let's look at it together, shall we? And let's just go ahead and grab the scan, throw it into our notes. We'll go down to LDAP, you think? No, we'll go down to here. So let's grab those. Drop them in our notes. Let's go back to that. We got SMB running. SMB signing is enabled and required. Let's go ahead and grab that as well. Okay. All right, and I'm going to adjust my microphone, y'all, because I can't see very well. All right, there we go, much better, I think. All right, let's take a look at our scans. What do we have here? And let me turn down my music as well. It's a little too loud for me. All right, let's check it out. We got port 53. We're running Microsoft DNS. So the other ones was simple DNS, and we have Windows Server 2008. Well, doesn't that seem a little bit outdated, huh? Maybe we'll be able to do something with that. I don't know for sure, but let's just grab this first. And let's just throw it down there so you remember to look into it. We got Kerberoasting on port 88, that's standard. We got LDAP, our domain is active.hackthebox. There's LDAP, active.hackthebox, SMB. Okay, well, let's start with the low-hanging fruit first. Let's see if there's anything for SMB type stuff. So if I look at my handy dandy hacking notebook, I just always forget the syntax. And what this is trying to do is just going to connect with the anonymous access and try to list out the files. And we do have anonymous access. We have a few things that might be of interest to us. I'm assuming we cannot get into these, but we have replication and users. So we might be able to already get some user enumeration in. Let's go ahead and take a screenshot of that, make note of that we have anonymous login. Like that. Can I highlight? We have replication and users that might be of interest. And now to actually connect to those to see if we have connection, I think if we do SMB client like that, and then can we connect this way? I'm trying to remember. Okay, so we have some file here named active.htb, which is just the domain. So if we do, oh, it's a directory. What up, HunterBot? Get it heavy here. We're just getting started. We have anonymous login for SMB, so just enumerating what we have here in SMB. So in this active.htb, we have policies, scripts. Let's go out like this. And let's just get active.HackTheBox. Can I download the directory? Like just the whole folder? I know I can. R, that's what I'm thinking of for recursive. Oh, maybe not. mget. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna do it manually. All right, let's cd into active. What do we have here? Conflicted and deleted. More directories, jeez. Oh, nothing in there. Nothing there. Nothing there, okay. Ooh, we have some group policy stuff here. Isn't that interesting? Okay. Do we get everything there? Yeah, this entire sysfile directory with all GPOs. Policies can have data encrypted with the GPP password. However, the GP password itself is encrypted with known keys, so should be able to recover it. Oh, interesting. Well, let's go check that out. So you said find one of those policies that's a GPP password and you are golden. All right, well, let's look around. Let's go into that other one. There's nothing in here, I don't think. It says 0. Apparently it doesn't want autocomplete for me. Okay. Just look at each one of these in turn. Nothing there. Okay, let's exit out of here. Whoops. What else do we have access to in here? Let's just get everything. You got sysvol there. We got users. Can we connect to sysvol? I doubt it, but maybe if we get that key. Okay, status denied there. Anti-status unsuccessful for this one. Okay, well anyways, let's look at what we have. Let's make a directory and just call this SMB. Let's move everything into SMB. Well, except for nmap, I guess. Okay, I don't think that's useful to us. Let's just go through these one by one. What up, J Money? That's not useful either. Good to have you here. Ooh. Would you look at that? Doesn't this look interesting? So we have registry values. Obviously pulling from the registry. Privilege rights, assign primary token privilege, audit privilege, change notify privilege, debug privilege. Wonder if this means anything. This signature Chicago. GPP password. Yeah, so I'd have to, let me look this up. Did I just miss it? I didn't see it in there. Oh, is it Chicago? Is that the password? That? Because nothing else really looks like it, right? They have a valid policy, so it has to be in one of those files. Okay. Any idea what this is? It looks like some type of password or something. Let's just take note of that. Don't know if we'll end up using it or not, but you never know. And let's keep looking through these files. Oh, well, that's of course not going to work. Would it be in this registry file? I don't think so. Oh, we need an XML document? I can go back and look through the SMB to see if there's anything. I'll take a glance at this. So if we get the GPP password, let's just glance at this. Sysvol is a domain-wide share. Yeah. Credentials and Sysvol. So this is a script that gets deployed that's storing the password in clear text. Why can't I? Yeah, I think if I remember right, there was a script directory. HunterBot said there was, hey, we had the same thought. Yeah. Right? I have a feeling, right? When I'm looking at this, it says, look, some people store the password in clear text in the script. If there is a script directory, which when you're saying that, I remember that as well. I bet it's there. Was it in replication, I think? Oh. There's nothing in there. Can't do LA, right? No. Let's see if we missed anything. We had that one. A XML file. Wonder if that has anything in it. See if there's anything else we missed. Well, actually, let's just look at that. Ooh. How about that? That looks like what we might be looking for. Service ticket granting. We have the service account. Okay. Well, isn't that cool? And I'm gonna go ahead and copy this guy right here. Oops, that's not what I meant to copy. And let's look up oh, maybe man sent me a decryptor. Let's check that out. GPP decrypt. This tool is written in Python 3 to parse the group policy preferences XML file, which extracts a username and decrypts the password attribute. Well, isn't that cool? We are going to bookmark this beast, throw it in hacking resources, and let's follow these steps, shall we? And that's our loot. I'm going to go ahead and copy groups, and let's just pull it back out. Put it there. Keep everything nice and clean. Clone that. What's this look like? We have a Python script. I'm just curious what the Python script does. Let's glance at it. Okay, we're importing some stuff. We have a key here. Okay, so the key is obviously publicly available. Amoeba Man, how common is this in the real world? I suppose it's probably more common to find a script that has the password in clear text. Maybe. I'm guessing you don't usually have SMB access to it. Really common. Well, I mean, like, how common is it to actually be able to find it, you know, with anonymous access? I'm not authenticated at all. I'd have to assume that part of it's not very common, is what I mean. So rule of thumb is GGP account should be low privilege. In previous years, it sometimes was DA. With a non-access, no, you need sysval access, which means valid creds. Gotcha. That just helps to understand the context. I might be doing syntax wrong on this. I thought it said it was Python 2, which it looked like Python 2. Come on, no module named crypto. Yeah, let's try that. We're downloading naked. Let's see if this fixes that error for us. Let's take a glance at the GitHub. Maybe there's a step we're missing. Oh, it's Pi Crypto. See, here's the importance, guys, of reading stuff. And I'm running the syntax wrong. So we can go to our setup file and install it that way, it looks like. All right. Read the freaking README. And that would save us some time, wouldn't it? And then the syntax for that was -F. Right there. Let's do this. What? Oh, is it already built into Kali? Dude, it's already built into Kali. Look at that. Let's just pull this back out. Do we just need to... learn something new every day. Now if we just get to work. Oh, we're gonna have to fix that a little bit. What? Hey, found it. Just it did not need the dash C. We got GPP still standing strong 2K18. All right. And that is for SVC underscore TGS, right? Now we can Bloodhound Python this beast, right? I'd assume. Here's my cool little script I wrote. So I don't always screw up the syntax. So it's underscore TGS. Was there an issue there? Oh, dc.active.hackthebox. Let's add that to our... I'm getting that same error? No module named crypto when I'm running Bloodhound? What? Did I break something on my Kali Linux machine? No, I didn't update my Kali. I mean, I can. But no, I didn't. Shoot. Something's broken, guys. with Bloodhound. Let's see if we can fix that. All part of troubleshooting. Good water break time. Scroll. It's just 10.10.10.100, right? Unsupported hash type. It's still broken. We find the AD domain. We connect to the LDAP server. Well, -I think for IP. Try evil win RM. Can we connect this way? Oh, so Amoeba said we have some users reporting this issue on Discord. A version of Kali dropped support for MD4. Oh, I probably don't have access to that with that account. Fixes a weird thing where you had to pass your OpenSSL file. I think there is a pinned message in either breaching AD or exploiting AD Discord channel. All right, let's find it, shall we? So networks. That's the network manager thing that people keep screwing up. Or exploiting AD. Let's check that out. Oh. I might have to do some Googling. Search OpenSSL, good idea. So if we go to breaching AD, oh, look at this. Use attack box. I don't want to use attack box, y'all. Customize OpenSSL configuration to enable legacy providers by default. This might be what we're looking for. What a weird fix. So do I just need to copy all this out? On. Maybe there's a different way I can breach this box. I don't feel like spending the rest of this stream trying to figure out why freaking MD4 doesn't work. Come on, Callie. I tried Evil WinRM, it wouldn't let me. I don't think that account has access to PS Remote. Let's try this. OpenSSL.config. Yep. Oh my goodness, not conf. Come on. Okay, it doesn't exist either. Oh, that's Ubuntu. We're not looking for Ubuntu. I added it to my other OpenSSL file. It doesn't seem to fix it. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh. Oh. Did you guys see that? We have the administrator hash and it's super long. What? Can we just pass the hash? This has to be something weird going on here. Oh, let's see. Where do we start? Why is that not doing it right? That can't, what is that file? All right, we were able to Kerberoast this. Oh, did I lose it? Frick. Well, there's the file. If we look at this. Administrator, active. Then we have this really, really long hash. But we were able to Kerberoast them with our service account we found. That just like hash doesn't make sense. Oh, you're right. It's not a hash. It's a challenge response type thing, right? So we can't pass the hash. We have to crack the hash. Tell me if I'm right, Amoeba Man. Thank you for reminding me of that. Are we even going to be able to crack that though? Like, dang. Yeah, I'm right. Okay, cool. I'm learning, dude, slowly but surely. We'll call it challenge.txt just to keep it straight. Okay, so there's the challenge, and now the syntax of that. Let's go to our Active Directory, our attack map. Just try to remember the hashcat module on that beast. There's the syntax right there. And let's save ourselves the time. So it's hashcat-m18 2000-a I think as dot rep host hashes. Oh, that's just looking for a hash, so we call it challenge.txt. So if this works, I'm going to script it out so we don't have to remember the syntax next time. Oh, is it a 0? Freaking A. I always put O's instead of a 0. Yeah, I thought that looked weird. Do I need to like... If I delete that first part. Separator unmatched. Why does this look so weird, Amoeba Man or HunterBot? That can't be right. I mean, I guess maybe it is. Shoot. Just looking at my other boxes, it's just way longer. And it doesn't, it says separator unmatched. Do we do it on return as well? Oh, it's a different hash type. Let's go. Let's figure out the hash type first. We'll use hash identifier, which is built into Linux. Oh, not found. Isn't that helpful? So we can stop, close. If we look at it, it starts with that. Is it salted? Is that why I can't identify it? What if we just do... Am I missing a part of it? Here's the full output right here. Unless you want the original syntax, I can rerun the command too. Let me just look this up on my other screen so you guys aren't going to see this. I'm just typing this in. This first part of it to figure out the hash type. Kerberoasting 5. Kerberoasting 5 hash, is that what it is? No, they're all that. Yeah, that's just the beginning part. It's not 7-zip. Oh, you need... There, it says it right at the start. Oh, that's what I thought. It should be M13100. What did this... Doesn't that say the same as like Sauna? Oh, no, it is different. Frick, I just need to look closer. I was looking at Sauna and I was like, hey, it's the same thing. But no, of course it's not. So it's -m 13,100. Come on. Apparently numlock isn't on. At least not on my virtual machine. Oh, because I broke the hash. Let's fix the hash now. Let's just rerun the whole command, shall we? I don't have it typed out anymore. Let's try that. Hey, now it's doing its thing. Well, that does its thing. I want to copy this. Might take a little bit, so we'll script some stuff out. So that was a KRBT KRB5 GTS. Oh, it already cracked it. Ticketmaster 1968. Sweet. So we will grab that password. I think we just pwned the box, right? I'll come back to scripting this. Why isn't this working? No one would think this would work. Yeah, I might need to specify the domain, you're right. Connection refused, eh? Is it a different port? Maybe I'll try just the actual IP instead of trying to specify it by name. I don't think that's gonna work. I mean, we have the administrator username and password. Bammer SX, we're working on the active HackTheBox machine, and we have the admin username and the hash. Just trying to evil win RM. Flying real blind without Bloodhound data. Yeah, I agree. What about just dumping all hashes with that account? I mean, why not? Would that be with Kerberoast? No. Maybe. I think my Kali might be borked a bit. I think you might be right, dude. I haven't done anything to it though since our last stream. Like, I don't know why it would be broken, but it is acting up for sure. Could just restart my machine. I mean, we have your DC sync script. Would that be it? Yay, we no longer script the syntax for 15 minutes. I already forgot the password, y'all. See, now we can pass the hash, right? With the administrator account. That's an actual hash. That's not a challenge. A response. Administrator H for hash dash I 10.10.100. Whoops, I did that wrong. Oh, I think it's capital H. Yeah. Oh, hold up. Here we go. Is it the second part or the first part? Let's try both. I always screw that up. The heck? Something's broken weirdly. Like, I have all the hashes. And we have administrator, guest, grain ticket, service, and our service account that we hacked into. And that's what we use to get everything. And we have this domain controller. Kerberoast keys grab. Like, we've owned the domain, right? Why can I not log into it? I do think my Kali machine might be a little bit broken right now, y'all. What if we go like this? Oh. Yeah, I think you're right. My Kali is broken. I must have broke it. Can we... What about Metasploit and using SMB exact? Or even PS exact, you know, one of those would work. We could try both. I was thinking we could open, I'm pretty sure Kali or HackTheBox has like a virtual Kali, or like in the browser Kali machine. We could use that. I just don't want to end it without submitting the flags, even though like we totally own the machine, like we're done. But let's see if we can get this to work. And then I might do some testing on my Kali machine, because nothing would have changed from the last time I was on here. I don't know why it would be broken. And maybe once we get it, we'll look at a walkthrough and just see, like, did anyone else encounter these issues? Heck, I could even connect to one of the boxes we already did and try to, like, evil win RM and stuff, just for testing. And a me man said, not PS exact since you get connection refused, so it might be nice to do SMB exact. All right. Okay, our host. Come on. Let's log into SMB as the administrator user and just see if we can grab the flag like through the drives on there. Is it -U for SMB? -U. Yeah, I can. So right now it's doing PowerShell, I think, right? Let's do set target. Started the service successfully. Is it gonna let us drop into it? Shoot. Guys, one of these days we're going to get this stupid box. Gosh. I mean, we have the freaking thing compromised. Yeah, we have all the permissions. We dumped all the hashes. How can we not get anything to work? Whoops. That's not what I tried to do. I don't even know if I'm doing this syntax right. I'm probably not. Hey, we had the same thought. That's what I was thinking as well. Gosh dang it. I might have to specify the domain though. Ticketmaster 1968. There. I'll do it this way if I have to. Let's get the user one first. Oh, there's not a desktop. Where do you think the admin flag's at? None of those other things have any files in it. Is there something else on here? Oh, I saved it here. Shoot. Wasn't that weird? And we have the user flag. Let's just grab that real quick. Sorry, guys, the music stopped. I don't feel like restarting it so you don't get any music. There is no desktop, dude. Look at this. Oh, that's not going to work. CD users. CD administrator. Oh, there's a desktop. Why? Am I just blind? I didn't see it before. Yeah, I'm just blind, dude. I was just looking down here. That's funny. All right, we're going to look at a walkthrough just because I'm curious, is my machine broken? Or is this actually how you're supposed to do this machine? Call that a bit hard. But we completed it. Boom. Blah, blah, blah. We did all this. Kerberoast, that was just a guess by me. I was wondering if we could Kerberoast, and sure enough, it worked. Administrator access, which we got. Look at that. That's how you're supposed to do it. PowerShell's like turned off. Did you catch that? That's how they did it as well. They just had to do it through SMB. I don't think my machine's broken. I think that was like the little tricky part they put in the box that you can't connect to it outside of SMB. Let's see if there's anyone else who did any way differently. Oh. Oh, so they use PS exec. Let's try that. I'm just curious if that'll work. And we should be able to do it through MSF. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if for some reason it works with PS exec. The other person just did SMB. Did we? Oh yeah, because it used PowerShell, I suppose. Yeah, I mean, did I do something wrong? What was the password? Ticketmaster 1968. Oh, you know what we did wrong? We didn't change our listening port. That was our issue, I bet. It's listening on like it's not listening on my HackTheBox IP. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah, look at that. That's all it was, dude. We just didn't update the IP. What a new mistake. That's one of those things that I bet I would have caught right away the next day. There, we pwned the machine twice. All right, guys. Well, hey, it's 11:20. We finished up early. That took us an hour. I'd say it took just around an hour to knock that box out. So thank you guys for hanging out. We will let's look ahead. Let's look ahead at what we're going to be doing tomorrow night. Well, maybe tomorrow night. So I'm not sure if I'll stream tomorrow night or not. My daughter's first day of kindergarten, right? So like her first day of big school is on Thursday. So I'll be up early Thursday morning helping her get ready and doing, first day of school pictures and stuff like that. So I may not stream tomorrow night, but I will on Thursday night. Let's see what's next in our AD 101 series. Ooh. Now, isn't that interesting? It's rated as hard. Most people say it's medium. But then it's medium next. Why are we doing hard before medium? Oh, well. Here's the one that Amoeba Man's going to help me with. We're going to do one of these insane boxes and die. Maybe this one. Multi-master. All right, guys. Well, hey, thank you for hanging out with me tonight. Hopefully you learned something. I know I did. What I might do before I even sign off is let's think through some of the commands we used. So I know we used hashcat. Not that exact command there, though. But that was the right. Let's go back here. Was that in this tab here? I just want to get that syntax right that we did. Gosh. Okay, it was 13,100. So if we cat our challenge right there and our hashcat syntax. Oh, I don't have hashcat. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at our attack map. I just want to script out the two kinds of hashcat we've used so far, because I hate always having to look this up on here. Obviously, it's a helpful resource, but so the syntax would have been hashcat -m 1300 -a0 as well. Then our hash name. I'll say challenge.txt file goes there, and then user share wordless rocku.txt. And that is for this type of file. So if we go here, let's go to our test script folder. Shebang. So there's our syntax we're working with. Think that'll work. Gosh. Oh my goodness, I can't spell, y'all. I might actually go out here, copy our challenge.txt to test scripts. Segmentation fault. Did it not? Did I do something wrong in the script? Yeah, I think I did. Look at my other scripts. Oh, you don't. That's right. You don't do the $sign there. Sorry, guys. New mistake. Now I bet it'll work. Oh, is it because I already cracked the hash? Might be. Yeah, I bet it's because I already cracked the hash. Hey, for those of you guys just joining, I've already completed the room. I'm just messing around with some scripting type stuff to make my life easier later. And the other one would be as rep, right? Module hashcat module 18,200. Is for as rep roasting. If we get the hash there, we'll deal with that the next time we use it. All right, guys, I think I'm going to sign off. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. We're able to root that box in an hour, so I think we're getting better. And I apologize if I don't talk as much when I'm doing this as opposed to I'm doing the network. It's hard for me to talk, explain what I'm doing, and think at the same time. I'm still trying to figure that part of it out. I know a lot of people when they stream, they're doing walkthroughs, right? They've already worked through the box and they're teaching you how to go through it. Well, when I stream, I'm literally going through it and learning it as we go and trying to keep up with things. But hey, that was a cool little attack vector that we did there. So just to recap, we realized there was anonymous access on SMB. We dug through the replication folder. We found the C password, a GPP password. We used GPP decrypt, which is a tool built into Python, and we decrypted that password. And then we Kerberoasted, which is a little script I made. You can find it on my GitHub. Well, I obviously didn't make the Kerberoast script, but it just so you don't have to do the syntax forever. Just asks you for the parameters that you need. And we successfully Kerberoasted it and got this challenge, not technically a hash. You can't pass the hash. It's a challenge. And then we decrypted that challenge using hashcat if I'm using the right syntax. We found the password for the administrator, which is Ticketmaster1968. And then we logged into SMB with that password, went to the C drive, and then grabbed the flags there. Then we also used psexec through Metasploit and put in our administrator username, that password that we found right there, and got a shell on the system as well. So we pwned the system in a few different ways. Once again, thank you guys for hanging out. Hopefully you learned something. And I don't think I'm going to be here tomorrow night. I shared before, it's my daughter's first day of school on Thursday, so I'll have to get up a little bit earlier, but I will be back on Thursday night, and we will dive into the next box on Thursday. So I will catch you guys then.